Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make glass cleaner at home. You may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them if you're new to this channel. Glass cleaner is made from the following materials. These are ethanol, distilled or de-ionized water, and vinegar. Now let's state the quantity of materials needed to produce about 260 ml of glass cleaner. Ethanol 200 ml, distilled or de-ionized water 50 ml, and vinegar 2 tablespoons. Now these are the materials. This is ethanol and this is distilled or de-ionized water. Distilled or de-ionized water can be obtained from a science lab, and this is vinegar. In no particular order, mix the three liquids together and stir properly. And your glass cleaner is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.